Throughout this course, you have gained the incredible insights, learned powerful tools, and experienced breakthroughs in your confidence. Now let's solidify these gains and create a plan that keeps you growing long after our lectures end. Why a plan even matters. Like any skill, if you don't use your confidence muscles, they'll weaken. A personalized plan empowers you to proactively maintain the momentum you have built. It actually helps you with focusing your efforts. So much to learn, so little time. Having a plan optimizes your energy. Habit formation. Consistency is an ultimate key for lasting change, and plan helps embed those positive habits. Tracking progress. Seeing how far you have come motivates you during tough patches and lets you course correct when it's needed. Key components of your confidence plan. Your confidence wins. The big and small, note both major triumphs and smaller shifts in your mindset and actions. The how matters. Don't just let the wins. What specific tools, strategies got you there? This makes it repeatable. Ongoing growth areas. Just be honest. Where do you still falter? What triggers your old insecurities? Tailored solutions. For each challenge, brainstorm 2 to 3 specific strategies to try. Habit and routine. Daily touch points. A gratitude practice, a few minutes of visualization. Make it consistent, not time consuming. Weekly action steps. Actively apply what you learn. Schedule that coffee with a colleague. Take on that slightly scary project. Support systems. Who are your confidence champions? When do you connect with them to refuel? Inspiration corner. Motivating quotes. Those that resonate deeply with you, easily visible. Role models. Whose confidence do you admire? What qualities do you want to embody? Your why. What does a more confident life unlock for you? Keep this at the forefront. For example, the win could be spoke up in a meeting, idea well received. The growth area could be still struggle with presentations. The habits could be power pose practice, body scan for tension, find a public speaking mentor. Inspiration, code tape to monitor. Courage is being scared to death and saddling up anyway. Evolving document. Your plan isn't static. Revise monthly. What's working well? What needs shifting? Confidence is a journey. Your plan is your roadmap.